So here we are today with a grease stain which has dried in. But it's not too late. Let me show you how to fix it. Let's start with good old-fashioned dish soap. So squeeze a bit right onto your stains. Now I went a little bit heavy-handed here. Then rub it in with your fingers. Next, sprinkle on some baking soda or corn flour. Now either one works. Now this helps to suck up any leftover oil, and then lightly rub it in. Or you can do what I'm doing and use the back of a spoon. Now we're going to let it sit for 30 minutes. Now once done, rinse it out under some warm water. Use your hands to gently work out the stains. And you will already start to see a big difference. Now pop it into the washing machine and wash it just like normal. Now you're going to make sure you're using the hottest setting that's safe for the fabric, and use your usual detergent. And there we go, good as new. You'll never guess that this t-shirt went head to head with a pepperoni pizza. Now for more laundry tips on clothing like delicates or even your favourite pair of jeans, check out the playlist coming up. And don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more home cleaning tips.